Everyone, in this video I am going to tell you some points to remember for giving an effective PowerPoint seminar. It may be useful to students while giving their project Viva. The first thing is write your notes. So whatever you wanted to tell the audience, please keep your notes. So that notes, whatever the important points are there, you have to keep them in the slide. Don't keep every point in the slide. Just keep some important points and you just explain those important points only. And the next thing, don't use complicated animations. Use simple animations for professional presentations. And the next thing is, don't use bullets. So you will be having bullets for making points. Don't use bullets. It should not be used in professional presentations. And put some relevant images. So the relevant images are very important. Why? Because if you see the points, you don't get the matter perfectly, but if you see an image, you will get the matter perfectly into your mind. So that is why put some relevant images to the points whatever you are explaining. And the next thing, the font size should be ideal. Maintain an ideal font size for headings 30 point type and for subheadings like 24 point type, like that. And the next one, face the audience. So while you are giving a seminar, you should face the audience. You should maintain eye to eye contact with the audience so that audience may get concentration on your topic. So that is very important. Facing the audience in a seminar is very important while giving seminar. And the next thing is, greet them. Greet them like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like that. You have to greet the audience. The next thing is, don't read the slides. Many of you do this mistake by reading the slides. You should not read the slides. First of all, you have to practice it, then you have to present it in front of the audience without reading the slide. You just have to explain the important points of the slides to the audience. You should not read the slides. And the next one is, don't be in a confused state. You should be having some clarity. Whatever you are presenting to the audience, you should have clarity regarding the topic. You should not be in a confused state. If you are in a confused state, audience may confuse with your presentation. The next thing is, use some good English. Don't use butler English words. Use some good English so that audience may concentrate on your topic properly. Next, be confident while speaking. You should be confident. Your posture should be confident toward the audience. So this is important. And the next thing is, after finishing your topic, please say them thank you. Thank you for listening my presentation. So this is the way to thanks after finishing your topic. And the last thing is, you have to answer their questions with a smiling face. You should not be in a confused facial manner. You should be in a smiling facial manner towards the audience for answering their questions. So these are the important tips while giving a seminar. So thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more and more informative videos and useful videos and interesting stories. Thank you. Jai Hind.